The 7-axis sliding headstock CB32M multi-function machining center from Chartune is the ultimate in high-volume complex parts machining. With superb electronics and control functions, this is a powerful, versatile machining platform. The superbly rigid neonite structure on this machine delivers superb performance and surface finish. All of the contact surfaces are hand-scraped for a perfect fit and enhanced machining performance. Thorough testing and laser calibration of each machine is carried out by our expert engineers to guarantee on-site performance. The CB32M is designed especially for workpieces less than 32mm and is especially capable in producing small, highly complex components. The two independent spindles allow faster production, with the front spindle starting the next workpiece while the back spindle is finishing the previous one. The integrated parts catcher and optional grabber ensure safe transport of your workpiece once completed. The CB32M delivers superb surface finish and machining versatility for a wide range of complex small component applications and will be a great addition to your workshop.